In this video, we will show you how to create a presentation in Canva. To create a presentation in Canva, it's very easy. After you open the canva.com here, you can see you can using your account and choose presentation. After that, you can using the templates that are available on Canva websites. So easy how you can create better than from scratch. Okay, for example, you need to create portfolio. Just type portfolio here. After you type portfolio, you will see there is premium and also free version of the portfolio that you can use. For example, I'm using this and just apply all 10 page. It's better using the templates than creating from scratch. Then we can edit our presentation here. We can change the photo and select the position here to see your layer. Okay, you can see this is your photo. You can delete this and you can change with another pictures. Okay, and you can edit this. I will make this bigger. And for example, to change your background, you can just click the background here with active on the position and select this background color, for example, and you can change to another like that. And after you creating a presentation here, you can just click share if you want. Then you can select download or you can just generate the public viewing. If select public viewing, the people that you share the link can see your presentation. Just click create public viewing. Okay, after that, you can click copy and another people that have your link can see the presentation. Okay. Okay. That's how to create a presentation in Canva. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching. You can also download this presentation, of course, using download button here.